Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I had created this video just to say thanks to all the subscribers. Today we have completed our 500 plus subscribers, and this is really helping to me, and I would really take this opportunity to say thanks to everyone who are the part of this YouTube channel. I am mainly creating the different videos based on the Oracle database technology as well as on Hadoop, and recently we have also started to create the video based on the SQL, so that whoever want to start their career in the technical part, they can move ahead, get the jobs. And again, most of the questions will be based on the interview, and those students who are already faced in their interview series, they are asking to us, and we are mainly creating the video based on their questions. So our YouTube community is continuously growing, and I can see there are many responses on the email itself as well as on the comment. Please do like, subscribe my channel. I'll be creating continuously a technical videos based on the different technologies. At this point we have a number of videos on the Oracle database as a DBA, Hadoop development part, and the SQL. Here you can see on the playlist part we have already created a 3 playlist where we do have 59 videos at this point on the Oracle DBA, Hadoop as well as on SQL tutorial. Please comment, share with your friends, and please help me with this subscription part as well. As you know, this is everything is really freely available, so it will be help you to get the good knowledge and the opportunity which is available already in the market. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share. Thank you. Bye bye.